Okay, the last two my math lab examples that I'm going to do involve the words necessary and sufficient. And I told you that you might want to scroll back on the PowerPoint to find this. And I think that's what I have here. Yes, there we go. Remember when they say P is the sufficient one and Q is the necessary one? So P will be your hypothesis and Q will be your conclusion. So when you're looking at number 20, it says, write the following statement using the words if then. It says, for the bread to be done cooking, it is necessary that the crust is brown. It is necessary. That tells you that you're looking at your conclusion. So the conclusion is the crust is brown. So when I do an if then, I have to say then the crust is brown. Then the bread is done, then the crust is brown, then the bread is done cooking, then the crust is brown. Okay, I got two of them. Then the crust is brown. Then the crust is brown. So the first part is the if, and the if will go with if the bread to be done cooking is done cooking. If the bread is done cooking, if the bread is not done cooking, there's no not up there, so it's got to be B. The bread is done cooking. Because A and C have the crust stuff after the if, so it's B. And then the last one, whew, this one says, to graduate this semester, it is sufficient. Okay, so when they say it is sufficient, that goes with your hypothesis. It is sufficient that you have completed 18 credits. That should go with the if. So if you have completed 18 credits, this is the only one that says you have completed. This one says you have not completed. There's no not in that. So it can't be this one. And the other ones talk about graduating, so it's got to be D. If you have completed 18 credits, that is your hypothesis. And then the then part would go with graduating this semester, then you graduate this semester. So it's D. And that is the end of section 3.3. Now go do your homework.